are doing today. So I just wanna tell you guys that I'm going for my friend's birthday this weekend, and I don't know which outfit to wear, but I have something in mind already. I could see the vision, but I'm gonna put it on for you guys to see how it looks. And yeah, and I'm gonna be going there for maybe a couple of days, just things to unwind. And the kids are on holiday, so I think this is the best time to have some fun, just to unwind a little bit, because when the school is back on, business is back on. So yeah, come with me and see. Bye. See you soon. I forgot to mention that I'll be going to make my hair. I've been having this like this for days now, if not weeks. So I needed to do something on it, and I want to channel my MUA vibes, makeup artist. Not per se, but I want to try get some few new products. I'll basically change everything, because the one I had, I've had it for like years, and I heard that makeup expires as well, because there's an expiring date on the bottle. Some say it's 12 months, some say 24 months. So I want to buy new makeup product, but I'm trying to go for something affordable so that it will help me to like do my makeup often and see how I enjoy it, or how the process go. So from there, I'll see, maybe I'll make makeup a permanent thing, or just casually. But yeah, so yeah, see. Can't decide on outfit for my friend's birthday. So I don't know, I really like this one, it looks nice, but I don't know, I'm gonna be wearing pantyhose under it if I decided to wear this. Yeah, I don't know what you guys think. I have like 3 options: this, another black dress, but it doesn't have it's armless. If you know me too well, I don't really do well with armless, but there's another option again, which is the red one. I don't know if I should do all red. No, the lady in red. Oh, I should do this black. I really love this black, it looks so good. This is snatching. I don't know, my voice is going. I'm really loving sleep every now and then. Okay.
Number 1.
Okay.
Number
2.
2.
Okay.
Number 3.
Okay.
Contour palette.
Okay.
So on this one, you use this.
Okay.
Draw this line.
Okay.
You do like this.
Okay.
And then you do it.
Okay.
And then you just use this.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you use this.
I'm a bit of a mess. Like my whole weather system wasn't aligning with each other. I'm running super duper late. Like forget about it, I'm so late. I'm supposed to be, or I should be now at a baby shower, which I already know for a while now, but I don't know today was gonna be the way it was gonna be. I even at a point I don't want to go anymore because of all the things wasn't going the way it should be going. But I'm having my fingers crossed, and I want to get dressed now. I just want to update you guys. I want to get dressed now so that I can be there. Yeah, I wasn't gonna go anymore, like I stated now, because of so many things, but I just had to honor the invite and trying to get there. So the outfit for today is white with a touch of brown. It's actually a surprise baby shower, but I think I'm gonna miss the surprise part. I'm supposed to be among the guests that say surprise, but obviously it's past the time they asked us to get there. But I'm trying to get there as soon as I can because I'm running late. This is actually my second baby shower that I'm missing the surprise part. The first one I went was in, I think, 2018, if I'm not mistaken. I was unable to get there earlier too. I don't know why I'm always running late. And it's not my fault. I really try to get there early. But the second one as well, circumstances happen, the situation I can't control. So yeah, I've been posting, guys. I've been posting on my Insta. Go and like, please. Comment, tell me what you feel about the outfit and the captions. So yeah, the name still remains the same. It's so_cookie. So SO_COOKIEE. Yeah, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. This very one, I'm trying to bring the juice of all the fun that we had last week, and this is a new week. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, please guys, please. I promise to do a very good giveaway if I meet up with all the things I need to do on YouTube, please. And I'll continue to be a good girl. I'll listen, please. I need you all to watch my videos, like, subscribe, share. Please share my videos. I need you, please. I'm begging, I'm dying on my knees. Please, jokes apart, please watch, subscribe, like, and share. I can keep saying it over and over again. I just need your help, guys, to build this channel. Whatever you do is gonna help me keep going with my channel. So that's why I'm begging, I'm pleading, I'm begging, I'm pleading, I'm begging, please. So yeah, stay tuned and
So nice.